Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Thinkific account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a lead magnet in your Thinkific account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a lead magnet with Thinkific anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather various emails and data about your users, and creating a lead magnet with Thinkific is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Thinkific account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Thinkific account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a lead magnet, all you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to click on products. It has these 3 geometric shapes. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, digital downloads. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the lead magnets that you've already set up with Thinkific. However, to create a new lead magnet, click on this button here, new digital download, a blue button. Okay, so the cool thing about Thinkific is they have built-in AI into their system. So if you're creating a lead magnet and you're like me, you know what it's about. However, to format it into a nice idea and a nice landing page, sometimes it's better to have AI take care of it. But you don't want to say something simple like, create me a lead magnet for making money online. Generally, I would recommend that you try to type in as much information as possible. So you want to include who the target is, what the lead magnet is, what the goals are, what the end user can expect from it, how you came up with the program. So let me go ahead and just type in a description, because the more information you provide AI, the better the feedback is going to be. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and wrote up a good description. That way AI knows what I am trying to do. So I put in here, this lead magnet is targeted for people over 40 that are tired of working a labor job and want to make money online. It is a list of 40 ideas to make money online and on YouTube. This was written by me that has made over $1 million on YouTube. When the target user uses this list, they can start part-time until they have worked up enough passive income to quit their job. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this create button. Now, if you already know how you want your landing page to be laid out, all the wording, if you're a great writer, you can go ahead and click down here, skip this, and create blank product. For me, I like AI to go ahead and format my ideas. So I'm going to click here on this blue create button. Okay, so now it's processing. Okay, now it's downloaded. Okay, so immediately it's going to bring you here into the landing page. So as you can see right here, discover 40 profitable ideas to make money online, unlock the secrets to financial freedom, and leave behind the grind of labor jobs. So this is actually a pretty good landing page. So the cool thing about this is it's already formatted it, but don't worry, you can actually go in and edit this as well, because some of this might be a little funky depending on what your goal is. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on edit page. Okay, now when you're creating a lead magnet, so we're talking about people over 40 that are trying to make money online. So this mountain over here is not really related. So if you hover over these sections, you're going to see this blue dotted line. That means you can edit everything in between it. So for example, I'll click in here, make money online. Let's go ahead and change that to make money on YouTube. And then here we'll go ahead and click on the picture, and I'm going to upload a new picture. Okay, so I grabbed a picture of these tacos. I'm going to upload that. Okay, so you can see the image has updated. So again, we're talking about making money online. So these tacos are just for an example. And then here we'll go ahead and scroll down, and you just go step by step until it looks and sounds the way that you want it to sound. So hi, I'm Anthony. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save here on the top right. Once you click on save, go ahead and close out the editor. Okay, so now we have our lead magnet page, the landing page set up. So next we want to go ahead and jump over here to pricing. So this is going to be a free lead magnet for me. However, if this is going to be something that you're charging for, maybe $1 or maybe $5 or maybe $500, you can do a one-time payment right here. Or if it's some sort of a monthly fee, you can change it here, monthly payment plan. For me, I'm going to leave it as a free lead magnet. And here on the left, you want to click on digital download. So digital download, this is going to be the file that your lead magnet is going to be dispensing. So after somebody lands on your landing page, they enter their information, they're going to receive this lead magnet. So click right here, select content type. So for me, this is going to be a guide. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the file right here from my computer. Okay, I grabbed a PDF and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, and then here is the name of the product. You can see it right here. This is what the landing page is going to look like for the thumbnail. So that looks okay to me. You can go ahead and change that if you want. Make money over 40 YouTube. Okay, and then here you're going to go ahead and add a cover. So just like a book needs a cover, you definitely want to have something attractive here, because this is going to be appearing right here on your thumbnail. So let me go ahead and upload. Okay, I grabbed an image. I'm going to upload. Okay, you can see the thumbnail updates right here. And then here you can go ahead and change the description. So that's going to appear up here, as you can see. For me, this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and save settings. And last thing that we have is we're going to click here on publish. Once you click on publish, you want to change this to published and then save. Okay. Next, your landing page has been published, so you can copy this URL. And now you can share it in a Facebook post, in a Twitter feed, or wherever you normally share your landing pages. And when somebody clicks on it, we'll bring them to the landing page. And then in the landing page, they can put their name and their email, and then they'll receive access to that download for the lead magnet that we just created. So let me show you what that page looks like. We're going to do preview landing page. Okay, so here is our landing page. So this is our lead magnet, and behind this download now is our PDF. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a lead magnet in your Thinkific account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.